introduce myself. My name is Riana Zawa Kamila. I study at Bina Sarana Informatika University. On this occasion, let me give a speech about smoking in the campus area. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Best wishes to all of us, to the Honorable Mr. Lecturer whom I love and friend whom I proud of. First of all, I would like to thank those who have trusted me to deliver a speech on the theme smoking in the campus area. My opinion about smoking on campus is that it is not allowed because it has a very dangerous impact on health. Cigarettes contain more than 7,000 types of dangerous chemicals, where these chemicals are very risky to health, including the risk of eye disease, of the risk-borne disease, and the risk of other diseases. In addition, cigarette smoke can also damage organs, especially the lungs. Smoking causes health problems not only for the smoker himself, but also cause health problems for the people around him, who we usually would know a passive smoker. In my opinion, there should be a special prohibition rule from the campus regarding the prohibition of smoking on campus. If the necessary students who are caught smoking on campus should be subject or sanctioned in form of fines or other social punishment. For students who still smoking, I urge you to stop right now. In that, you will not experience health problems due to cigarette right now. But it could be that in five years you will feel the health problems. It is better to save the money to buy cigarette or use it for more useful things. Do we want to be a generation that ignores serious health risks or a generation that is committed to creating a smoke-free future? Do we want to be sick person in our old age to the smoking in our youth? Don't you want to? Well, rather the smoking is better to use the money to treat your girlfriend, right? That is my speech to give my opinion about smoking in campus area. Thank you to all the audience who have taken the time to listen my speech. To the Honorable Mr. Rector and my friend, I would like to express my gratitude. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Riana Zawa Kamila. I'm studying at Bina Sarana Informatika University. On this occasion, I will explain what is meant by question word. What are question word? Question word, or what we then call WH question, are question word used to form question in English. Does it sound familiar? That's right. We usually call WH question 5W plus 1H in Indonesia. They help us obtain the information we need in conversation or writing. For example, the word what is used to ask about something what does not have a specific shape or characteristic. It can refer to object, thing, action, or abstract concept. What are included in question word? These question words are divided into the following categories: who, what, whom, which, when, where, was, why, and of course how. Number 1. Who. Who is question word in English which is used to ask about the method or process by which an event or action is carried out. Its function is to obtain information about the method or procedures involved in a situation or activity. Example: who is he? Who are your parents? Who won the game? Who is your favorite actor? Number 2. What. What is a question word in English that is used to ask about object, activity, or concept that occur or are influenced in a particular event. Activity or context is function is obtain information about certain object, activity, or concept in a conversation or situation. Example: what is your favorite color? What time is it? What did you eat for breakfast? What is the capital of France? Number 3. Where. Where is a question word in English that is used to ask about the location or place where an event occurred in the conversation or situation. Example: where is the nearest hospital? Where did you go on vacation last year? Where are your keys? Where is the bathroom? Number 4. When. When is a question word in English that is used to ask about the time or time period in which an event occurred. Its function is to obtain information about a certain time or period in a conversation or situation, as well as helping us to understand the sequence or schedule of an event. Example: when is your birthday? When did you arrive in Jakarta? When is the next train to London? When does the movie start? Number 5. Which. Which is a question word in English that helps us choose between several options. Its function is to raise information about a particular choice from a number of available options to help us in decision making or to define a specific object or person in a particular situation or context. Example: which color do you prefer, red or blue? Which book are you reading right now? Which movie did you watch last night? Which restaurant serves the best pizza in town? Number 6. Why. The word why is used to ask the reason behind an event, action, event, or situation. So, when we want to know why something happened or why something did something, we can ask why. Example: why is the sky blue? Why did you buy the car? Why do people eat breakfast? And why should I trust you? Number 7. Whom. Whom is question word used to ask about the person who is the object of a sentence. Whom help us determine the relationship between subject and object in a sentence. Example: to whom did you give the present? Whom did she invite to the party? Whom do you trust the most? Whom are you waiting for? Number 8. Was. Was is a question word in English which is used to ask about ownership or to whom in certain object or things belong. Example: whose turn is it to do the dishes? Whose phone rang during the meeting? Whose bag is laying on the table? Whose name did you write on the paper? Number 9. How. How is a question word in English which is used to ask about the method or process by which an event or action is carried about. Its function is to obtain information about the method or procedure involved in a situation or activity. Example: how do you bake a cake? How did you learn to ride a bike? How to improve my English speaking skill? How do you solve this month problem? One. WH question with auxiliary verb. Here is the WH question formula with auxiliary verb. WH minus plus auxiliary verb to be, do or have, plus subject plus main verb and plus question mark. Example: where are you living? Where do they live? What have they decided? Number 2. WH question with modal verb. Words that are included in modal verb included can, could, will, would, shall, should, might, must. Here is the formula. WH minus plus modal verb plus subject plus main verb and plus question mark. Example: who would he stay with? What should I do? And why should we read books? Number 3. Interrogative sentence without auxiliary or modal verb. This formula shows that WH itself has replicated the subject position. The formula is WH minus plus main verb plus question mark. Example: who won the game? Was the phone rang? And who bought this? Negative WH question without you realizing it. Example of each type of WH question about are positive or affirmative. Well, of course, interrogative sentence can also be negative. When asking negative WH question, we can use the auxiliary verb do. When there is no the other auxiliary verb or no modal verb, see the example below. How to make WH question using patterns. Number 1. With no auxiliary, W plus minus word plus be plus subject. Example: who is that? And how are you? Number 2. With auxiliary, WH minus word plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb. Example: what do you want? And why did you quit? That's all for me. Thank you for your attention. For mixed lecture and my friend, more or less I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.